Let me show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. Previously, you had to go into Instagram and kind of trick it into resetting your Instagram Explore or search page. But now, thankfully, there's a straightforward way to completely reset it. In addition, you can reset it on the TikTok app if you want to reset it there as well. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. And if you don't love what shows up in your Explore page, you can always reset it by tapping on your profile at the very bottom right, and then tapping on those three lines at the top right. Once you're in here, a brand new feature is to reset it just by scrolling down. And you can see as you scroll down, under what you see, there is content preferences. Just tap on that. Now you'll be able to see a bunch of different things that you can go into: interested and not interested. You can always remove or add posts from here. But the most important one is at the very bottom. You can see reset suggested content, aka that Explore page or search page. Now I can just hit the next button and reset the suggested content. After I've done that, keep in mind you'll tap on the search bar again, and then you can swipe down and it will show you a whole new set of topics, videos, reels, photos, etc. that are just generally popular on Instagram.